Happy Tuesday, 5th grade. It's Tuesday, October the 6th. Listen, I made those Picasso videos this past weekend, and there will be one that pops up each day, but I'm making a slight adjustment. So I'm adding a video before the video, and that's what this is. So here's what I noticed. And well, number one, go check in. That's number one, check in. Then come back to this video. Number two, the second thing that I wanted to talk to you about is I've noticed about your class that you guys really want to get stuff right. So when you're drawing a Disney character, you're really conscientious about getting it really accurate to the drawing from the artist who's teaching you. Or when you have lines to memorize, you memorize them quickly and you really work on them. And I appreciate that about you, and I think it's great. But one thing that I noticed yesterday was a lot of the ones that you sent me were pretty good copies of my drawing, right? But remember, here's the thing. The deal with making art is the only way it's art is if it comes from you, if it's original. That doesn't mean that you can't borrow ideas. This whole assignment is about borrowing ideas from Picasso. But I want to see if moving forward, if instead of copying the shapes I'm drawing, like if I do a weird shape for a face in a Picasso drawing, can you make your own weird shape, right? That's either organic or geometric. And can you put the eyes where you want to put the eyes rather than where I put the eyes? And sort of let it come from you. Use me as a guide, but let it come from you. So look, today's assignment is you're going to take one of those drawings and you're going to develop it. And that means that you're going to blow it up on a bigger piece of paper. You're going to use a whole piece of paper for one of them. Pick the one you like the most and develop it, which means draw it more carefully. Maybe if you have a marker, you can go over the pencil lines when you've drawn it in pencil, and then add details and stuff like that. Watch the video, it'll take you through it. That's number two. Number three, this is important. I'm changing this a little bit. This is a 2-day assignment, so you need to check in today and you need to check in tomorrow, but this assignment is for today and tomorrow because it takes a little bit longer. So I don't want to take a ton of your time while you're on quarantine. You have math and science to do, probably. So those are really the things you should focus on. So I'm not trying to take a ton of your time. Now, if you have time, like you're not doing anything during the day, feel free to take longer with this assignment, do it twice or whatever you want to do, or go draw another Disney character. Like, keep doing art. It's a great pastime, right? It's a great thing to do while you're just waiting to come back to school, but only if you are done with everything else and you want to. So this is a 2-day assignment, but there's only one video, so you'll have to come back tomorrow for this video. I'll put a reminder up, but that's it. So number one, check in as always. Number two, after you check in, I just got a text message from Mr. Hickman. I hope it's good news. So number two, make sure, now I can't focus. Number one, check in. Number two, see if you can make your own art. Now, if this one looks a lot like mine, this time that's okay because you did it that way yesterday and you're just developing one of those drawings, or you can start over and make your own. And number three, this is a 2-day assignment, so you don't have to have this done today. You have today and tomorrow to do it. That's it. I'll see you when I see you. Have a good day.